Hello everyone, I am Raghu from MLR Learner. I would like to improve our speaking skill. Now we are going to learn about simple future tense. Simple future tense is used to express an action that will occur or happen in the future. Keywords: tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, and etc. Tomorrow, for example, I shall call you tomorrow. Next week, for example, you will meet me next week. Next month, for example, they will buy a car next month. Next year, for example, we shall go to Singapore next year because this year is problem of corona. Main verb present, that is V1 or base form. In the simple present tense, we use V1 and V5, and simple past tense we use V2 or V1, but here in this simple future tense we use only V1. Helping verb: shall or will. Contraction or short form: shall plus not shan't, will plus not won't. In the bracket, I write about persons. Person 1, I, we. I is singular, we is plural. Person 2, singular is you, plural also you. Actually here you is plural. Singular is thou, though, but it is removed from English language many years ago because that word is not respectable, so it is removed. Now we use in a singular also plural, that is you. Person 3, singular, he, she, it, plural, they. Helping verb: shall is used with first person They are singular and plural. Will is used with second person, that is you, and third person, he, she, it, singular, plural is they. Persons are totally 7. They are I, we, you, they, he, she, it. For example, we know that every sentence has 6 forms or 6 types. Serial number 1, we shall learn English. Here, we is subject, shall is helping verb, learn is main verb, and English is object. If we want, we will add keywords also. For example, we shall learn English next week. I don't write here keywords because problems of space. If you want, you can add them. We shall learn English. Here, helping verb is shall. You will learn English is also correct. But that is emphasis or strong feature. Now we are learning simple future tense. So we use only normal feature. So we write here shall only. We shall learn English. We is first person, so we write helping verb shall. It is positive sentence. She will learn English. In the same way, it is also positive sentence. But we write here will because it is third person. She is third person. She will learn English. It is positive sentence. Second, we shan't learn English. Here we add not to helping verb. If we write shall not, also correct, but short form is shan't. We shan't learn English. Here we add only not extra. We shan't learn English, it is negative sentence. The same way, she won't learn English. Won't is short form of will not. She will not learn English is also correct. She won't learn English is negative sentence. Third, shan't we learn English? Here we write shan't before the subject, that is we. That means we change shan't from middle of the verb and learn to beginning of the sentence. That is, shan't we learn English? In the same way, won't she learn English? These two sentences are negative questions. Won't she learn English and shan't we learn English? Fourth, shall we learn English? Here is removed not, so it is positive question. Shall we learn English and add question mark? It is positive question. In the same way, will she learn English and add question mark? It is positive question. The third and fourth are called yes or no type questions also. Already we know about that. Fifth, why shall we learn English? Here we prefix why that means we write here why extra in the beginning of the sentence. Why shall we learn English and add question mark? It is WH positive question. In the same way, why will she learn English? It is also WH positive question. We try to write some other WH question forms also. For example, when shall we learn English? Where shall we learn English? How shall we learn English? Like that. Sixth, why shan't we learn English? And add question mark. It is WH negative question. In the same way, why won't she learn English? It is also WH negative question. In these 6 sentences, we write helping verbs shall or will, but in the simple present tense, we don't write helping verb in the positive sentences. The same way, in the simple past tense also, we don't write helping verb in the positive sentences. But in the simple future tense, 6 sentences have helping verbs. You can try to practice with other main verbs and persons and WH question forms, and you will try and get more knowledge of simple future tense. Thank you.